We're going to take a walk. Let's go out this door. We'll go out the big door. Big door. Honey. Hey. This is YouTube here. Huh? Put that back on, honey. I won't film you. Huh? Put it back.
You have to exercise it doing what it's doing too.
So anyway, this is we'll make a nice little video walking down. Myrna's got some lab work she's gonna go look into, results from some lab work she was taking or did. And we'll go down here and see how it goes. Here's the outside of our castle in the sky. Look at these trees. Oh my God. We love our state here in the Philippines. Man, the ants crawled on me. The Goss Estate. Look at that, folks. Can't really see it because we got so many things growing, which is really good. I like that because it's like a nice little hiding spot. We'll take a walk down here. Let me see. It still grows good. This is our neighbors.
Bumili kami ng notice. Pero yung ilalim nito mataba kasi dito yan, tambak yan dito.
Wow.
Hindi ginamit. Nung nirenovate.
You guys got a good garden growing, huh?
Dito sa ilalim.
Ang daming pechay na.
Matatapos na to. Ibibigay ko tayo pagbalik mo na lang.
Everybody's got a garden around here.
Kamatis pinatay ko kasi hindi kaya.
You have to do some editing on this. I should have came down here. I want to come down at night and get some video of that display they have down here. But this is our neighborhood, Puting, Kahoy, Silang, Santa Rosa Heights, Silang, Cavite. In the Philippines, guys, this used to be the building of the homeowners association, and it was the worst looking house in the whole neighborhood. Go figure. Anyway, we're just walking down to get Myrna's results from some blood work, right, honey?
Yes.
We're supposed to check on your whatever, calcium, what is it?
ECG.
Your heart and your,
It's ECG.
your cholesterol levels, and make sure all your internal organs are functioning properly or whatever. Let's cross right here. Yeah. At the gate to our community. And it's Christmas time. As you can see, they love Christmas here in the Philippines. Who doesn't?
Everywhere.
Yeah, it's great. We love it. I haven't actually walked down here in video for quite a while. So there's probably some changes. Of course, Jollibee's, that's been there for a while. I got a stubborn cough that won't go away because of the rainy weather we've had lately. Right, dear? Like stubborn cough that keeps on coming and going.
Fever.
Tired of it.
Cold.
Well, I take that medicine to clear it up, and then it comes right back. Because of the cool, clammy weather lately. Okay. We get out of the road here. I'm about to get run over. They got a whole new batch of businesses over here now. And we don't know what's going on. Church going on there. Okay. I don't see anybody waiting. We'll go here and see if what kind of trouble I'm in. Honey, Myrna, dear, should I go inside or what? No?
Video inside. Yeah, let's go.
No. I don't want to cause trouble. We'll go somewhere over here. Anyway, Myrna ran me off. I'll just walk around. Cough, cough, cough. This is the Sunday morning rush to Cavite, probably. On the weekends, they love to go down to Cavite, which is a little. Oh, they got kind of a tourist area down there. But it's a volcano, the Kahoy volcano, and it's been a popular weekend spot for a long, long time, many years. So, if you happen to be in the Cavite area, that's a good place to go. You know? I'm just walking around my neighborhood, which I've done. Hey. Huh? What is it? What? What? Oh, really?
So let's go to Dolly, get some.
Okay. We're going to go to Dolly, get some stuff for making goulash later today. All right, we'll see you over there, guys. Okay, we made it across this busy highway. Thanks to, we have a traffic guy, law enforcement. He made a clear path for us. Because you don't want to try it on your own sometimes. On a busy Sunday morning, it can be pretty crazy. Walking down, folks. Oh. I don't know what they got planned here. Looks like they got something going on. They got cops all over the place directing traffic. I wonder what's going on. A parade or something, maybe? I don't know. No clue. No clue what's going on this morning. Something. We got the barangay police out here. This one. Coffee spot. Whoa. Trying to get a video. Without getting ran over. There's the coffee spot, which I usually don't go to. What are we finding out, dear?
Anong meron kuya? Bigataan po raw VIP.
It's a VIP coming down?
They're coming this way.
Who?
Maybe the president.
Maybe.
Really?
Maybe the president of the Philippines.
Hey, let's get a video.
Do you wanna wait for him?
Sure, yeah. They don't tell you who it. They don't tell you who it is.
President or some kind of
Somebody.
officer
Huh?
at the NPA.
Ooh.
National Police.
All right. Well, we're gonna wait and see if maybe the president's coming by. We're not sure. Somebody. Some high-ranking person is coming down the road here. We'll wait and see.
Everybody's
Not yet. I thought maybe that was it.
maybe not. It's an ambulance.
Lots of motorcycles going by. This is kind of a typical weekend, actually. It gets pretty hectic around here. You got to watch where you're walking. Is this truly representative of the Philippines on a Sunday morning? Yes.
What a busy morning.
Oh, yeah.
Sunday morning.
Sunday morning. We'll go in here to our favorite little store, Dali. It's kind of like the discount groceries. A lot of things are a little bit better priced in here. So we come here quite often. And they love it. Right, honey?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go inside Dolly. Can we film inside Dolly? I don't know. We're going to do it anyway. Yeah. What about coffee, huh? You got a coffee? Ooh, classic. Classic. I don't think people want to get videotaped in here. What is Myrna searching for? These were good. These little fruities. Hey, I like those.
Yeah.
Fruities. Fruity cookies. They're pretty good. Stick them in there. And just, kind of like in America. This reminds me kind of a dollar store. All the cheaper stuff. Anyway. I'm just taking little clips, tidbits, this and that. I think we're going to give up on the presidential visit. Let's go for the vegetables. Making a good goulash tonight. Right, honey?
Nagmura na ang onion, ano? Nagmura na ba?
So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for me, please. I want to grow into the monster that was meant to be. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.